So I just started printing some 3D legs for the yaesu. I'm going to do a couple sets of these after I see how they turn out. I think I went with the standard 20% infill. Hopefully that's enough. Um, so these are on Thingiverse, and under just look up ft101, and it has, you can either print all 4 legs, or you can print just the long ones or the short ones. So that's pretty cool. So I will be able to now print the ones that are missing from a couple of things I have, and also maybe they'll fit the Heathkit amplifier as well. So this thing's just starting. I'm noticing certain filament is easier to use than others, and also I guess there is definitely the moisture problem, which shouldn't be as much of an issue here in Arizona. So anyway, it's about 6:30, and I figured this would be about done at about 9:30, 10 o'clock. So I'll let you guys know how it comes out. The rails to the um, 891 are right here, and I glued them. I'm not sure how well this stuff glues. I had to use some accelerator. So I just in the future, I don't ever want to print these this way, especially for how long they take. Maybe a faster printer if you're going to do it like this, but you're about 6 hours times 4, more or less. This was over 12 hours to print these two. So I've got that one, and then I have to clean up the other one. I don't know where it is. Oh, right here. So anyway, it's quite a bit of work. It's a little bit of trial and error with temperature and things like that. So I'm learning. Pretty cool. We'll catch you guys later.